All right, Daniel, thank you so much. Well, tomorrow kicks off Black Maternal Health Week here in Columbia. Sadly, Black women are 3 times more likely than white women to die during childbirth. So to bring awareness to these startling numbers, the City of Columbia, along with a Black Maternal Health Collective, announcing a series of events during the week, starting with a mom's market. All of this happening tomorrow. So joining us now with a preview of these events and a look at these numbers, we have Rose Sims, the founder of the Black Maternal Health Collective. Rose, thank you so much for being here today.
Yes, thank you for having me.
Absolutely, of course. So there's a lot going on starting tomorrow. But first, I really want to talk about the numbers. You know, what are we seeing here in the Palmetto State with your organization?
Absolutely. So just recently, the legislative brief came out for maternal mortality and morbidity, and the numbers are still high, especially for women of color. So there is still a great need for us to be a part of this conversation and show up in our communities to ensure that resources are there. Some of the highest needs are cardiovascular concerns when it comes to women of color. So ensuring heart health in whatever capacity. We realize that, you know, nutrition is a huge part of how we set ourselves up for success when it comes to thinking about pregnancy and postpartum. So we're still seeing those trends to elevate for women of color, and there's still much needed investment and resources to go towards those programs.
And then talk about what you all are doing in our community to help maybe take down those numbers.
Absolutely. So our Black Maternal Health Collective is a collective of voices. So we range from birth workers to pelvic therapists to postpartum support therapy. So we're just kind of wraparound services for the needs of birthing women. And we know that there are OBGYNs and providers and hospital systems, and we are all necessary to be at the table to support the women who come to us and who we serve. So we're just a bridge to the community. We have their ears, we're closest to them, we're able to listen to their concerns, and they trust us, which is a huge part of being successful when it comes to birthing a baby.
I mean, also too, you want these mothers to know that they're not doing this alone, because sometimes it could feel like that.
Absolutely.
Especially with that there too. All right, talk about what's going on in the next couple of days with this health week. So what are some of the events that are happening?
So Columbia Black Maternal Health Week was founded last year specifically for our Palmetto State. Black Maternal Health BMMA, which is an organization from out of Atlanta, started the National Black Maternal Health Week celebration. And we just felt it was necessary to really focus on our state. Like, what can we do? So we always kick off prior to the national celebration to focus on events happening here. So on tomorrow, in partnership with the City of Columbia, Councilwoman Bustle has been a great advocate for us and uplifting what we're doing in the community. So we're having a resource market fair tomorrow for moms, families, and babies to be a part of that. And we have 50 vendors who are set up this year. So we're actually gonna pack Drew out.
Yes, that's
so we're excited about that. And in the midst of that, we're doing educational panel discussions. And we're actually involving dads into this discussion because they are a huge pillar into the success of the birthing woman who comes in. They're directly connected to them. They see the things that happen to them. They're first to notice the signs. So we want to pull them into the conversation because they're a huge aspect to the family.
Wow, Rose, I'm so glad to kind of chat with you and learn more about this. What a great organization that you all do, and what a great opportunity for expecting moms and families to get a part of this weekend. So we appreciate you stopping by today.
Yes, thank you so much. There's so many events that are coming up.
Yes.
So we have events throughout the week that last until April the 11th. We will consume.
Doesn't stop.
Yeah, we will consume our week with the special Birth Worker Awards Gala that's going to happen on Friday. So we're so excited about all of the events that are happening.
I love it. All righty. Well, we're going to put all of that information then on our website, WLTX.com. We'll be right back. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.